I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. So guys, oh my goodness, so I reached 2,000 subscribers today. I reached 2,000 subscribers today. Today's December 19, and I don't know what day are you guys gonna see this vlog, but I'm so happy that I finally reached 2,000 subscribers. I'm really happy, and I appreciate everyone who subscribed and who's been like my OG subscribers, and also who's been commenting and sharing my videos. I love you guys so much, and I'm also close in hitting 1,000 followers on Instagram. So if that's the case, once I hit 1,000 subscribers, not subscribers but followers on Instagram, I will be announcing and do like a raffle on the giveaway, so you guys can win the $100. And I'm excited because the fact that I hit 2K, and it's like my early Christmas gift to myself, and I'm forever grateful for you guys who's been there for me before I even reached 1K. So anyways, and I know the people who's been there and commenting, not just because they joined the giveaway, and I see you, like I truly see you. So yeah, I appreciate my OG subscribers back in like 500, 400. Yeah, thank you guys so much. Like I said, I cannot thank you guys enough. So anyways, once I hit 1K followers on Instagram, I will be announcing and doing a raffle on my giveaway. So I cannot wait. Hopefully by the end of the month, or by the end, just by the end of the month, I'm hoping that I will reach 1K by the end of the month. So yeah, if you haven't followed me, I'll put my Instagram handle here and also in my description box below. So anyways, I just got done filming 2 videos, which is the assumption videos and also the makeup tutorial, and this is gonna be another vlog, so I have at least 3 videos, but I'm still gonna film tomorrow as well. I think I'm gonna film 2 or 3 more videos, so I'll be set for the whole week. So I forgot to show this to you guys, but I just got a 2021 planner, and I'm excited because there's gonna be a lot of opportunity next year, and I'm claiming it, and I'm gonna be working hard for it. So anyways, I got this planner at Target, and I believe they're like $9.99. Just very basic planner, and this one really caught my eyes because it came with 2 pages of stickers right there. Very cute, and I just cannot wait to organize my day and plan my day ahead. So that's why I got this planner right here. I think I'm just gonna take this off maybe later, but yeah, that one. And I also got this Neutrogena Hydro Boost water gel, and this one has hyaluronic acid right there. I believe this is like $16.99. And also I picked up the Brow Ultra Slim from Maybelline because I think next week or this week I might film like a trying new makeup products or skincare products. But yeah, I'm gonna film that. And I got the shade, I believe black, 264 black on the Maybelline, and I can't wait to try that. I also got this, you guys, yesterday because I met up with my friend Clarice. But thank you so much for this present. It's really huge and heavy, but I am not gonna open this yet. I'm not gonna open the gifts yet because I'm gonna wait until the 25th, and I'm just excited. It's truly heavy. We did exchange some gifts. I give her some gifts, and she also gave me, it's like our traditional like we just exchanged a gift. So anyways, also today I'm gonna be wrapping my dad-in-law's presents and also my husband's presents. I do have to run to Ulta to pick up some stuff that I ordered online. I think they close at 10 now, which is shocking because normally they close on a weekday. They close at 7 or 6. So I'm gonna run to Ulta and pick up the stuff that I ordered online, and then wrap the presents. And other than that, since I just filmed 2 videos, I think I might edit later as well. But yeah, I'm sorry and I apologize that I started the vlog very late, but hey, we're already here and I'm vlogging. And I'm also have to clean this up, you guys. It's very dirty. Every time I edit or upload a video or film, my vanity, or not my vanity, my studio always gets really dirty. So anyways, let me edit the thumbnail for the vlog tonight, which is the 19th. I'm gonna edit the thumbnail, and after that, let's go to Ulta. Also, I have my card holder here and my key holder, both from Louis Vuitton. They're both monogram as well. And I'll be wearing this bag today, which is the Coach bag, a crossbody bag, and also you can wear it's like a shoulder. But the thing about this one is you cannot unhook the shoulder. It's just gonna stay like that. But yes, I'll be wearing this today. I'm at Ulta, guys. Oh my goodness. All right. Oh my goodness. Why am I so bright? This red lipstick is so freaking cute. Like, hopefully it's not gonna stay in my, I feel like it's gonna stay in my mask anyway, so it didn't. Well, if you press really hard, there's a little bit. So you're telling me that this red lipstick is transfer proof, like mask? What? Okay.
Like frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
So I am back. It was just a quick trip from Ulta. Anyways, I can't show you some of the stuff that I picked up because it's part of my husband's gift and also friend's gift. So anyways, the only thing I can show you is this Wet n Wild foundation. I want to try this out because I will be doing a trying new makeup, and I feel like this one is also kind of new still. If you're from the Philippines, do you guys have this? Is it like out yet? Like, hold on, let me focus. Yeah, it's this Wet n Wild. This is the dewy. This is the new one. But yeah, I picked up the shade Golden Beige, and hopefully this will match me, guys. So I'm gonna wrap more gifts. So this one is, I think, my husband's nephew. I have to find a box for this one, or maybe I'll probably just make like a little mini bag. This one is still in the box. And then this is for my dad-in-law. I already put this in a white box. And this is for my husband right here. So I just reused the box that I got from the Chamberlain coffee, since I ran out of the white boxes, and this is like the last one, so we can reuse the box. So anyways, I'm gonna use this two wrapping paper, which this one I got from the Dollar Tree, and then the polka dots one is I got from Dollar Tree and Marshall's. So since I don't have the brown wrapping paper anymore, I'm just gonna use this too. It's still very festive right here. And I think what I'm gonna use is this one first, the polka dots one. And I'm just gonna cut. Hold on, I'm gonna try to. Hold on.
Many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
And I have extra downstairs here. I saw this downstairs. Anyways, so this is the, okay, I'm gonna put this. If you guys haven't watched my wrap with me video, you guys should watch that too.
What Christmas is all about.
I'm finished with my dad's, and I'm also catching up the Vlogmas Chiquitita's vlog. She is a Pinay YouTuber in the Philippines, so I'm just watching their vlog while I'm wrapping the gifts. So I'm just gonna fast forward some of these clips because you guys are probably just bored. But yes, this is my dad's and it's already finished. Right there, polka dots, so cute. And now I think I'm gonna wrap my husband's nephew's gift, this one right here. And I'm gonna use the same one, which is the polka dots. I think I'm just gonna just use this. Might as well. I'm just gonna use this. Just play the video.
Nga kahapon, bumili kami ng mga props. Ayan, mga Christmas decor para gagamitin namin. And of course, i-decorate na rin talaga namin dito sa aming bahay. So yung outfit ni Madam Chiquitita, ayan po, nakapula siya. With the red lips, ayan. So, ang naman guys is
Although it's been said many times, many ways.
So, yun na yung first scene natin, no? Puro ka-plastikan. So, nire-review ko lang siya kung okay na ba. Alright, yung third scene namin, dito kami sa kusina. Ayan, kunyari, magluluto daw ako. So, sa lapitan ako ni Chiquitita, maglamig-lamig na siya sa akin.
Though it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas.
I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
So I also put some pics. So this is for my husband, my dad, and my husband's nephew's gift. So I just put some pics and tie it with some twine. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here because I am gonna take my makeup off and lay back down because I'm so sleepy already. But anyways, I hope you like this vlog. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Anyways, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Many times, many ways.